What is weathering? As rain falls on the cliffs of the Palisades in New Jersey, water trickles into cracks in the rocks and collects there. If temperatures drop below the freezing point of water, the liquid water turns to ice. The ice takes up more space than the liquid water and pushes the crack further apart. Sometimes this causes bits of rock to break off. Over many years, the cliff will slowly be worn away or weathered. Weathering is the process through which rocks or other materials are broken down. Physical weathering. Physical weathering is caused by temperature changes, pushing, pulling, or rubbing. As water in cracks of a rock freezes, the frozen water pushes on the rock and can break pieces off. Trees and other plants can grow out from cracks in a cliff. Their roots push against the walls of the cracks. This pressure can break off particles of rock. Gravity pulls rocks down a slope. The rocks bump into other rocks on the slope as they roll downward. With each bump, parts of the rocks may break off. Winds often blow on exposed rock. The winds pick up small particles of sand or dirt and rub it against the rock. As rocks are carried along in moving water, they may also bump or rub against each other. This rubbing wears away the surface of the rock. Chemical weathering. Chemical weathering occurs when chemicals break down rocks. When chemicals in groundwater break up underground rock, caves form. In some parts of the eastern United States, you may see stone or metal statues whose features have been worn away or pitted. Sometimes the color on the statue is changed or damaged. If you see these changes, that statue may have been affected by acid rain. Acid rain forms when gases from factories enter the air and combine with raindrops. Acid rain wears away stone and metals. The worn material may crumble and be swept away by winds and precipitation. Quick check. Problem and solution. How does acid rain damage statues? Critical thinking. How are physical and chemical weathering different?